Welcome to Forest Night Part 2. Okay guys, so I heard that there's been I heard that these people, right, they came here and then they haven't came back. So we're gonna explore it. Yeah, because we have 7 people this time, so we're basically stronger. Yeah, I think it's a big monster that's like a dinosaur shaped. I don't think so. I'm not sure if it's a dinosaur shaped. Well, let's go. I'm going to delete this door because I don't feel like opening it. Okay, let's go, guys. I got a flashlight. Come on, guys. Okay, there's no way my flashlight ran out already. Well, it's useless. Hi. Let's go, guys. I'm coming. Ba. 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 Okay, let's keep going. Wait for me. Ugh. Wait, guys, someone's dragging me. Wait, huh? You guys hear something? Ah! God, do you guys hear something? No? Okay. We gotta keep walking, kids. Ah! Wait, stop taking me! Stop it! We just stop walking because we're so far away from each other. Hey. I heard like a few more trees down. The creature's somewhere. Near, 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 near. What's that goofy music? I think it's, I don't know. Near, 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 near. Okay, just stop the music, bro. Okay, let's keep going. Wait, we're missing some people. We're missing like 3 people. Well, I think it was 4 people because we had 7 people and now we only have 4. Oh yeah, 3. I don't know. Maybe they just went back to the cabin, or maybe they didn't come. But I saw them come. They're in the cabin with us. They drive here with us. Why are you standing on me, bro? Oh, sure. Yeah. Let's keep going. This is like so far, bro. I'm coming. Bah! Whoa, what is that? Keep going forward. We should go now. Let's go. Oh, we can't go through these trees anymore. What do you mean? Like, we can't. We're stuck. Oh. Throw this at him. Oh, let me guess. It doesn't work. We'll try again. Wait, what's he doing? He grabbed Jimmy. No, please. Please. I'm begging you. Oh, no. No. Oh, guys, I push you. I gotta run. No. Joe, we can talk about this. Yo, we cool, right? We cool. We Be cool, right? Be cool. Be cool, right? Oh yeah, be cool. No, no, no. How do you keep jumping in the air? Boom, 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 boom. Food. 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 What's that? No, please, please don't, please, I'm begging you. Please, 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 yes, yes. Food. Yummy melon. Well, since it's already nighttime and it's getting darker, it's time to go sleepies. Well, that's Forest Night Part 2.